Every time you browse the web, you're using HTTP, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. But what exactly is it? HTTP is a protocol, a set of rules, that allows web browsers and servers to communicate. When you type a URL into your browser, HTTP is the method used to request and transfer data from the server to your computer. Here's how it works. Your browser sends an HTTP request to the server asking for a specific webpage. The server then responds with the requested resources, like HTML files, images, and other data. HTTP operates on a request-response model. The most common methods are GET, used to retrieve data, and POST, used to send data to the server. You might also see HTTPS. The S stands for secure. It means the data sent between your browser and the server is encrypted for privacy and security. In short, HTTP is the foundational protocol of the web, making it possible for you to access and interact with websites easily and efficiently. So next time you surf the web, remember, it's HTTP that's making it all happen.